With math is easy with Ala. With another example, how can we find the derivative y prime x? 3x plus y cubed minus 4y over x plus 2 equal 10x squared. First of all, we'll multiply both sides by x plus 2 to remove the dominant. So it will be 3x times x plus 2 plus y cubed times x plus 2 minus 4y over x plus 2 times x plus 2 equal 10x squared times x plus 2. So this will remove this one. Now multiply by distributive 3x times x, 3x cubed, 3x squared, sorry, plus 3x times 2 is 6x, plus y cubed times x, it will be xy cubed, y cubed times 2, it will be 2y cubed, minus 4y. So now here we have 10x squared times x, it will be 10x cubed, plus 10x squared times 2, it will be 20x squared. Now subtract from both sides minus 3x squared minus 3x squared and remove 6x to the other side, so this will go and we will have xy cubed plus 2y cubed minus 4y equal 10x cubed plus 17x squared plus 6x. No, minus 6x. Minus 6x because we remove this to the other side. So now let us make the derivative. Here we have two functions. First one is x and the second one is y cubed. So the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of y cubed 3y squared y prime. Now multiply by use the product rule, the derivative of the first one times second function, so it will be y cubed plus the derivative of the second function times the first function, so it will be 3xy squared y prime plus, now the derivative of 2y cubed, it's 6y squared y prime minus the derivative of 4y will be 4y prime, the derivative of 10x cubed, it will be 10 times 3 x squared plus 17 times 2, it will be 34x minus 6. Now remove y cubed to the other side, so it will be 3xy squared y prime plus 6y squared y prime minus 4y prime equal 30x squared plus 34x minus 6. Now, yes, minus y cubed, because we remove this to the other side. Now, to keep all the terms that have y prime alone. Now take y prime as a common factor, so I will open brackets and write outside y prime. Here it will be 3xy squared plus 6y squared y prime, it will be 6y squared minus 4, and the left side we will not do anything, we will write it again Now divide both sides by 3xy squared minus 6y squared minus 4. So y prime equal 30x squared plus 34x minus 6 minus y cube over what? 3xy squared minus 6y squared minus 4. So this is the solution. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel. See you in another